Let me cut to this news coming in from Delhi. Fresh clamour for promised poll cash. After Congress 8,500 Khatakat scheme, protests now for AAP Samman scheme in cash. Women protesters at Atishi's home now. They've been promised 1,000 per month as Aam Aadmi Party poll SOP. Forms have been filled, but no promise. Whatever the cash was promised, none of that has reached their hands. Women protesters versus Delhi cops as they've assembled, asking for the cash to be given to them as part of AAP Samman scheme. Protesters who have arrived at Atishi's residence, they were promised 1,000 per month cash as AAP poll SOP, but they claim it hasn't been fulfilled.
केजरीवाल जी ने वादा किया था, सबसे फॉर्म भरवाए गए थे कि 1,000 रुपए हर महिला को दिया जाएगा, लेकिन नहीं दिया गया। उनको तो ये पनिशमेंट दी जानी चाहिए। जब न्यायालय ने एक कानून बनाया था कि जो माँ बाप की सेवा नहीं करेगा, उस बच्चे को उसकी संपत्ति से बेदखल करना चाहिए। तो ऐसे जो केजरीवाल हैं, वो भी दिल्ली के पुत्र हैं। इन माओं का, इन बहनों का अगर उन्होंने नहीं दे रहे तो उनको भी अपनी सीट से हट जाना चाहिए।
हमेशा ये झूठ ही बोलते हैं, झूठ के अलावा इनके पास कुछ नहीं है। इन्होंने चुनाव के टाइम में बोला कि भाई हम फॉर्म भरवा रहे हैं 1,000 के लिए, और हम लोगों ने फॉर्म भी भरा, लेकिन आज तक से उस पे 1 रुपया भी नहीं आया है।
राजधानी दिल्ली में पटियाला हाउस कोर्ट के ठीक बाहर आप फ्लैश प्रोटेस्ट के तहत सीधे तौर पर तस्वीरों में देख सकते हैं कि किस तरह से यहाँ पर महिलाएं पहुंची हैं अपने हाथों में तख्तियां लेकर के, और साफ तौर पर लिखा हुआ है कि किस तरह से 1,000 रुपए जो देने की बात कही गई थी खासकर दिल्ली सरकार की तरफ से, वो कब मिलेगा। और उसी प्रोटेस्ट में आप देख सकते हैं कि किस तरह से यहाँ पर महिलाएं पहुंची हुई हैं और इनके हाथों में पोस्टर और बैनर देखकर आप सीधे तौर पर अंदाजा लगा सकते हैं कि आखिरकार ये क्यों यहाँ पर प्रदर्शन कर रही हैं। सबसे खास तौर पर आपको बताऊं कि ये दिल्ली महिला मंच के बैनर तले यहाँ पर इकट्ठा हुई है।
केजरीवाल ने तो हमेशा ही इस तरह से क्या झूठों की राजनीति उसने करी है। वो जब सत्ता पे आया था झूठ लेकर ही आया था, और आज भी उसने यही किया। चुनाव के टाइम पे वो झूठ बोल रहे हैं कि 1,000 रुपए दूंगा। तुम 1,000।
आप दिल्ली महिला मंच में किस पद पर हैं?
मैं उसकी अध्यक्ष हूँ।
तो ये थी मीनू खन्ना, जो मीना खन्ना है, जो दिल्ली महिला मंच की अध्यक्ष हैं। और आप साफ तौर पर तस्वीरों में देख सकते हैं कि किस तरह से इंडिया गेट के पास पटियाला हाउस कोर्ट के ठीक करीब यहाँ पर महिलाएं जो है इकट्ठा है। आप लोग क्यों प्रदर्शन?
केजरीवाल ने झूठा वादा किया था कि जैसे ही अब हम आपको 1,000 रुपए देंगे, लेकिन उन्होंने नहीं दिया।
तो ये थी ऑन ग्राउंड से महिलाओं की आवाज, लेकिन साफ तौर पर दिल्ली सरकार कह रही है कि सम्मान राशि ये जरूर मिलेगी। कुछ महिलाओं का रजिस्ट्रेशन भी हुआ। आपको बता दें कि जो बजट में है वो प्रावधान भी रखा गया है, लेकिन बहुत सारी अड़चने हैं जिसके जरिए ये अभी तक शुरू नहीं हो पाया है, और वक्त के साथ ये शुरू होने की उम्मीद जताई जाती है। लेकिन आपको बता दें कि तकरीबन 6-7 महीने के अंदर राजधानी दिल्ली में विधानसभा चुनाव होने वाले हैं। ऐसे में बहुत सारे जो सियासी आरोप प्रत्यारोप हैं वो आपको लगातार दिखाई देंगे, और ये जो है ग्राउंड से हाल रहा उन महिलाओं का जिन्होंने इंडिया गेट के पास पटियाला हाउस कोर्ट के करीब सम्मान राशि 1,000 रुपए को लेकर के दिल्ली सरकार के खिलाफ विरोध प्रदर्शन किया।
All right, I'm going to cut across. On the phone line is Ram Kinkar to bring us more details on this. Ram Kinkar, give us more on the scheme that the Aam Aadmi Party had promised, basically awarding cash to people of the state, 1,000 rupees that has been promised as part of their SOPs. They claim it's not reached them. How long has it not reached them? We see finally a protest happening. Who are these women who are protesting? Do they have an affiliation?
Nabila, hundreds of these protesters, women protesters under the banner of the Delhi Mahila Manch have protested near the house of Minister Atishi, and they were demanding the announcement of 1,000 rupees should be given as early as possible, which was already announced by the Delhi government. If we see that in the budget, Delhi government has clearly said that they will provide 1,000 rupees to those women and girls who are above 18 years old. But due to some kind of technical thing comes as an obstacle, so it was not possible to give them, because in the meantime, when they declared that they will provide this kind of assistance to the women, there is no any cabinet meeting for the approval is yet because the chief minister already is in Tihar jail. So who will initiate on this issue? So that is why these women protesters came along with the hundreds of their protesters, and they protested near the house of Atishi and demand and asked the resignation of Delhi's Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal.
Right. Well, we see those images there. Furious women protesters who are demanding Aam Aadmi Party to award them that 1,000 rupees cash per month as part of the SOPs that were promised to them. It was part of the AAP Samman scheme, where 1,000 rupees was awarded, at least promised, to women, and that hasn't come to them. They filled in their forms, but that promised cash hasn't come. Women protesters there protesting, and they're being chased away by the Delhi police. Ram Kinkar, do we know if the Delhi police are allowing them to protest on their site? And Atishi's house, we believe, has been gherawed by these protesters. Has the Minister Atishi come out, though, to speak on the matter, address the issue?
No, there is no any response from the Delhi government, but Delhi government has already said on this issue that what they have promised that they should provide assistance to women, especially in the terms of 1,000 rupees. It will provide whenever all the possibilities or the technicalities will be cleared, and all the things which is not happening on this front is due to the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal is in jail, and there is no any cabinet approval of this kind of planning. So that is why the main thing is that they are also assuring these protesters and already assured that the women will be given of this kind of assistance. But there is a probability that whenever it will be approved by the cabinet or when it will be cleared by the whole Delhi Vidhan Sabha, then as soon as they can provide to the women.
All right. Let me quickly cut across. Our reporter joining us, Ashutosh. We have more details coming in. Right. We have BJP's RP Singh joining us on the phone line. RP Singh, please give us more on your take as we see women protesting on the streets outside Atishi's residence, saying they haven't been given the money they've been promised. How would you look at this?
To win elections, you make false promises, and then when you lose or win elections, you don't fulfill promises. They are in the government here in Delhi, and they may promise that every woman will be given 1,000 rupees immediately after the election. And I also remember they have got some forms filled by women in various areas saying that we fill in this form and we'll give you 1,000 rupees the moment the elections are over. So they have all the right to go and seek that 1,000 rupees because similar promise they made in Punjab. Till now, the women in Punjab are waiting. I've been told there's almost 30,000 rupees which is due towards each woman in Punjab. And now it's Delhi, the meter is down, they will have to pay because for winning elections you can't make false promises. Now people are alert, and then they will obviously protest if you don't fulfill the promise.
All right. We see that the promise was made for 1,000 rupees in cash. Is this really feasible at a day and age like this for freebies to be rolled out like that? Or it's one thing to be announcing it, another for them to be delivering it. They've clearly missed out on delivering it, and now the citizens are holding them up for it.
Well, it's not just the money which is golden to women. Otherwise also, today Delhi is suffering from water scarcity. They have promised free water. There's no free water today. When you go to, I'll appreciate, send your correspondent to any cluster, the Seva Basti or the Bhugi cluster. They tell you they buy water almost 30 to 40 rupees a 20-liter bottle. So that's how the state of affairs is. They make false promises, they make tall promises, and then they keep trumping it. We have done it. Practice on ground, it don't deliver on ground. Mohalla clinics, go and see the same in the Mohalla clinics. Schools, recently Justice Manmohan, in the Court of Justice Manmohan, their Director of Education accepted that schools are in a bad condition. Their person accepted it. the Director of Education, that schools are in tatters. This was April 23rd, if I rightly remember the date, the court date. So they have in the habit of making false promises, then start trusting on it that we have fulfilled it, whereas promises are not fulfilled. This time people are more aware, women are more aware, and they are seeking their 1,000 fees which has been promised by Mr. Kejriwal as part of his guarantee.
All right. Thanks very much, R.P. Singh, for joining us on that.